Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on read message history on your role settings on permissions. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click roles, click here, now click permissions, and here as you see you will find read message history. Click on it like this, and it will be turned on, and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.